Okay. Okay. Then these points are the actual values, actual x and y values. Okay. Then we get the regression model that represents the estimated value. Okay, then we draw this straight line through the estimation, not the real values, estimated value. Okay, then deviation between this actual value and the estimated value. Okay, then take the y, this we called as the y hat. Okay, then y represent the actual y value. Y hat means estimated y value. Okay, then all. This is the y, this is the y hat. This is also y, this is the y. Understood? Okay, then this one says minimum value for the sum of squares of the vertical deviation of the observed points from the fitted line. Okay, then on the fitted line we can get the estimated value. Okay, then deviation between y and y hat. Okay, then there are so many points now. Okay, then total of the y and y hat always we get the 0. Okay, this is the 0 actual value and the expected value. Start. Okay, not the individual values. Okay, then we take the y minus y. Okay, then there's a value. Here that value. Then take the sum. Always should be equal to 0. Why? Then in here, y and y hat, what happened? Plus or minus 5. This is represent y. Okay. Then y and y hat minus 5. Then all the values are minus. Then what happened to this side? Plus. Then plus to minus cancel. Okay. Then finally, what is the value? C. Then therefore we take the square value. Okay. Then square of the difference between actual value and the expected value. Estimated value. Understood? At the value එකයි අපි regression එක through estimate කරන value එක අතර difference එකේ square එක අරන් understood? Sum of the square of the deviation between actual value and the estimated value. Now clear? Then we can get the value. Okay? Then point on the regression model, then what happened? That value gives the minimum value. Understood? දැන් මේවා අතර difference එක අරගෙන square කරලා එකතු කරාම එන minimum value එක එන්න තමයි අපි regression model එක construct කරන්නේ. Understood? Okay, then this is the theory part. Okay? Then this line will always pass through the points representing the mean of the x values and the mean of the y value. Okay? Then this is the theory behind that least square method. Okay, then using the least square method, we get the best fitted line to the given x and y values. Okay, then we get the values of the regression model we call as estimated value. Okay, then therefore we denoted as y hat. Okay, then y represent the actual values. Understood? Okay, then this equation, what is our answer? What is our output? Y. X is the input in G. Understood? Okay, then y is the dependent variable. That is the output. What is our input? Independent variable. Understood? Okay. Then this is the theory in behind that. This graph. Okay. Then this is the x-axis, y-axis. This is the regression line. This is the best fitted line to the given x and y values. Okay. Then this line. Then these are the actual points. Y. Understood? Then these points we called as y hat. It's clear? Okay. Then this is the structural regression model. Okay, y equal beta naught plus beta 1 x plus error. Okay, then normally we manually calculated, we ignore the error term. Okay, this the structural equation is this one. y equal beta naught plus beta 1x plus error. Okay, then manually, when we calculate the manually, okay, then we ignore this error. Okay, then what is the equation? Y equal beta naught plus beta 1 x. Okay, y means what? Output. It means dependent variable. X denoted by what? Input. It is independent variable. Okay, then other two, beta naught and beta 1. Beta naught means, see, in here, see, normal equation for the line graph, there is a plus C, no? Then what is represent C? That's the represent C, intercept. Okay, then we draw the line graph. Then that point we call as C, no? Intercept. Intercept means y value when the x equals 0. Okay, then value of the y we call as intercept. Line is x. This line is y. Okay. Then when the x equals 0, then value of the y we call as intercept. Okay. අපි maths වල ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන්නේ y අක්ෂය කැපෙන තැන intercept එක කියන. Okay, it means when the x equals 0, value of the y we called as intercept. That intercept shows beta naught in the statistic. Beta naught. Okay. Then other one we call as beta 1. This beta 1 shows M in this graph. M. What is M means? Slope. Gradient. Okay, then slope. In here, we denoted by beta 1. Understood? Beta naught represent the intercept. Beta 1 represent the slope. Okay. Then, in that statistical equation, how to interpret this beta naught? It means x denoted by when normally x is the independent one, sorry, independent one, y is dependent one. Okay, then beta naught is the intercept. How to interpret the intercept? When our independent variable is equal to 0, what is the value of the dependent variable? Understood? Then think, our two variables is sales and the advertising expenditure. It's very easy example. Then what is the independent one? Advertising expense. What is the dependent one? Sales revenue. Okay, then y represent the sales revenue, x represent the advertising expenditure. How to interpret the beta naught? Okay, then we did not expend amount to the advertising expenditure. Then what is our sales revenue? අපි කීයක්වත් අපේ advertising expenditure වලට වියදම් කරේ නැති වුණත් අපේ sales revenue එක. Now clear? Okay, then beta naught always represent when the x equals 0. Okay, what is the value of what? Understood? Okay, then beta 1 is a slope. No? Then how to interpret the slope? It means our x value is increasing by 1 unit. Okay, then how many units increasing or decreasing by 1? Understood? That is the meaning of this slope. When our x value is increasing by 1 unit, x එක unit එකකින් වෙනස් වුණොත් ඒ වැඩි වුණොත් then what happened to our 1? Okay, then how many units increasing or decreasing by 1? Understood? Then think sales revenue and the advertising expenditure. Okay, then we will spend 1 rupee for the advertising expenditure. Okay, then how much our sales revenue will be increase or decrease? Understood? අපි advertising expenditure වලට 1 රුපියලක් expend කරොත් අපේ sales revenue එක කොච්චර ප්‍රමාණයකින් වැඩි වෙනවද අඩු වෙනවද? Understood? That is the way we can interpret the beta naught and beta 1. Okay, in here beta 1 and beta naught we denote it as the coefficient of the regression line. Then this fully we call as the regression line. Okay, then this is the regression model. Then the question asks, what are the two coefficient value of the regression line? What are they? Beta naught and beta 1. Understood? It's clear? Okay. Then beta naught means intercept. When the x equals 0, then what is the value of the 1? What is the meaning of the beta 1? Beta 1 is a slope. No? Okay. Then when increasing 1 unit by x, okay, then how many units increasing or decreasing by 1? Understood? It's clear? Okay. Then we move into how to construct this equation. Okay. Then there are two formulas to finding out the beta 1 value and the beta naught value. Okay. Then in here, now you know how to get the values for these. No? Okay. Then sigma xy. Okay. Then x represent the values of the independent variable. Y represent the values of the dependent variable. In here, x into y. Then we take the multiplication of each x and y. Then take the sum. Then minus nx bar y bar. X bar means mean value of x. Y bar means mean value of the y. Then n means how many observations are there. Okay. Then divided by sigma x squared minus nx bar squared. Okay. Then sigma means total value. Then we take the square value of each x, then add them together. Then x bar squared. Okay. Then first we want to find out the beta naught. After that we will find the beta naught. First we should find in the beta 1. Why? Then when we find out the beta naught, okay, then we want value of the beta 1. Understood? Okay, then how to do that? Y bar minus beta 1 x. It's clear? Okay, then there is interpretation. The beta naught tells us the predicted value of the y when x equals 0. Why? Through the regression model, always we can get the predicted value or estimated value, not the real value. Understood? This regression model is a mathematical model. No? Through this mathematical model, we cannot get the real value, actual value. Always we can get the predicted value or estimated value. Understood? Then we say beta naught is the predicted value of the x when, y, when the x value equal to 0. Understood? Then how to interpret the beta 1? Amount of change we would predict in y for a 1 unit change in x. Okay, it means amount of change we would predict in the y. Dependent variable for a 1 unit change in the our independent variable. අපේ independent variable එක unit එකකින් change වෙනකොට අපේ dependent variable එක change වෙන amount එක. Okay, it express the beta 1. Understood? Okay, then we move into the example. Then you can last week we did question number 3, no? Finding the correlation coefficient. Okay. Then using these values, first you finding out the what is the beta naught value and beta 1. Okay, then there are figures are given, no? Okay, then easily you can find it. Then hurry up. The equation must be the one. The equation for the beta naught. Okay. Then you can substitute the values now. Sigma xy. Then what is the value of the sigma xy? 8.307. N into x bar into y bar. What is the value of n? In here 7, no? N equals 7. Then 7 into x bar 30 over 7, no? Then y bar 0.94 over 7. Okay, x bar means mean value of the x, no? Okay, then how to calculate the mean value of the x? Sigma x divided by simple x. How to get the value of the y bar? Sigma y divided by n. Okay, then divided by sigma x squared. What is the value of sigma x squared? 248.72 minus n is 7. Then x bar is 30 over 7 into 30 over 7. Okay. You have question? Tell me the value, okay? You can use the calculators. Is the answer? Beta 1 0.0356. Okay, then we can find it the beta naught. By 0.94 over 7 minus 0.0356 x bar. Minus value. Beta naught. What is the value of the beta naught? I got the minus. minus 0.018. Okay. Then what is the value of beta 1? You substitute. Okay. Then you have the two values of the beta naught and the beta 1. Okay. Then you can write the regression line. How to write it? Y equal. Then what is the value of beta naught? First you want to write the beta naught. Minus 0.018. In here plus value, then plus 0.0356 x. Okay, then through this regression model, we can get the predicted value or estimated value. Then we put the y hat. Okay. Then through the regression model, how to identify is it positive or negative? Positive, the negative. How to identify that? Looking at the regression model. Then how to tell if they are positive or negative relationship. Then sign of the beta 1. Okay, then in here, all of you got the value of the positive value. Okay, then therefore we can say there is a positive relationship. Okay, then sign of that represent the positive or negative. Understood? The direction of the relationship we can identify through this sign. Sign of the beta 1. Understood? It's clear? Okay. Then how to interpret these two values? Now you know. Then this one says how to interpret that. Beta naught, how to interpret? Then in here, what is the y? Y is the profit. X is the sale. Okay, then how to interpret? Then we can say beta naught, its value is minus 0.018. No? Okay, then in these are values in million. Okay, then what is the actual value in here? Million means 18,000, no? 18,000, no? 0.018 into million. Then there are 6 zeros, no? 1 million. 18,000, no? 18,000 rupees. Okay, then we can say beta naught tells it means value of the minus 0.018. It means what? Predicted value of the profit is 18,000 when the sales revenue is equal to 0. Understood? Beta naught is the intercept now. In here, intercept is the beta naught. Okay, then X is our independent one, Y is our dependent one. In here, sales is the independent one. Based on the sales, we can identify what is our profit. Okay, then profit is the dependent one. Okay, then how to interpret this beta naught value? Beta naught means predicted value of Y when the X equals 0. Then in here, Y is the profit, X is the sales revenue. Then we can say then the predicted value of our profit is equal to 18,000 when our sales revenue is equal to 0. Understood? අපේ sales revenue එක බිඳුව වුණොත් අපේ profit එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? Profit එකක් නැහැනේ. Loss එකක් වෙනවා. Understood? Okay, not the profit, loss. Understood? Then we can say, then the predicted value of the profit is equal to minus 18,000 when our sales revenue equal to 0. It means we get the predicted loss, not the profit. Why? We get the minus value. True no? අපේ sales revenue එක මුකුත්ම නැත්නම් අපේ revenue එක 0 වුණා අපේ profit එකක් එන්න බෑනේ. Profit means sales revenue, revenue minus expense. Then revenue is 0. Then what happened? We will get the loss. Understood? Then how to interpret that? There is a minus 18,000. It means loss. Okay, then we can say predicted value of the loss is equal to 18,000 when our sales revenue is equal to 0. It's clear? Okay. Then how to interpret the beta 1? And what is the value of the beta 1? It is also the million rupees, no? Okay, then it means 35,600. Okay, then how to interpret that? Beta 1, it's a slope. How to interpret? Tell me, then the beta 1 represent the amount of change we would predict in Y for a 1 unit change in X. Then how to interpret? Then what happened when the 1 unit change in X? Then Y value also increasing. How much? 35,600. Okay, then it means our sales revenue will be increased by 1 rupee. Then what happened to our profit? Profit also increased by 35,600. Okay, then why we say increasing? Why there is a plus value? Okay, then slope is the positive value, no? Plus value. Then we can say, then when our sales revenue increased by 1 rupee, then our profit will be increased by 35,600. Understood? That is the way we can interpret the coefficients of the regression line. It's clear? Sure? Okay. Then we move into this section. Okay? Then you will try individually. A psychologist obtained the IQ of the individuals, 14 individuals, each of which asked to take a particular test. The results as follows. Okay, then X is their IQ and the Y represent the test score. Okay. Then first one asks find the coefficient of the correlation. What is mean of that? You want to find out the value of the simple R. Okay, then you can find out the coefficient of correlation. Based on the value, you can find out the strength of the relationship. Okay, then the second one asks, no need to do the part B. Okay, then moving to the C, calculate the simple regression line by considering the test score is the dependent variable and the IQ is the independent variable. The IQ level and the test score. These are the two variables. What is the X1? X is IQ level. What is the Y? Test score. Okay, then test score is depend on the IQ level. Understood? Okay, then you need to calculate the beta naught and beta 1. Then you can write the regression model and interpret these two values. Okay, then hurry up. First you want to find out the correlation coefficient. Simple R. Formula දෙක අතර චුටි කරත් එකක් තියෙන vegan note එක යාද කියලා. Then numerating same. The one part of the denominator. Using only this one and the square root sign. Then number 2 I will upload today. Okay. This is based on the regression. Yes, I do. We have to submit 3 assignments now. 10 minutes only wage karanga. मैं मगे क्वेश्चन निकाल देती हूँ. First, they are that's one. But the answer 96.0.9. Currently 0.93. Okay. How to interpret it? The positive only positive. At the strong positive relationship between IQ level and the test. Okay. Explanation. First you find it out the contribution value and interpret. Okay. There is a strong positive correlation between IQ level and the test score. For strong positive relationship or strong positive correlation. So completed part A, then do the part C. Okay. What does mean the meaning of value? What does mean the meaning? That's very important. Strong Muslims. Can I speak about